back to another video. Today, we're playing this, as you can see, Animal Crossing. I don't have this thing on my phone, but I do have it on my Nintendo Switch. How do I do this? My first time playing. Oh yeah, this is Fire Alarm D, but it doesn't mean any cuss words. It just means dude. Remember that. I'm gonna read this. Our next step will be taking a picture of you, Fire Alarm Dude. Oh, don't worry. Taking so much time. Oneater gets herself looking just the way you want. Okay. You will be ready when you are. You are. Oh, choose my style. I don't know how to do it. Okay, there it is. A. Oh, God. But I might need a haircut. How do I play this? Hey. Great, you're all set, all set. I'll just go ahead and add that picture to your records. And now, let's start talking about the new home. So excited? Excited. You see, we're quite proud of the work you've done to help feel, I have my thumb right here, comfortable in your new life. Oh yes, in fact, I don't know what they're saying. They don't speak English though. Anyways, and, oh yes, in fact, no! Okay. Northampton, no, I don't know how to read that. Choosing an island. So tell me, Fire Alarm D. Fire Alarm Dude. Where do you want to live now? Live now. North America. No! They added the United States? Yay! So, excellent. Guess I'm living in the United States. So far. Southern. Oh! My God! What are you guys doing? Okay. Oh, you want to mix things up? You want to mix things up? Oh! God! What? Are you angry at me? Whoa, that can be fun. Are you just gonna try and do something bad to me in my YouTube channel? And go ahead and find the perfect enable island for Southwest. Okay, I don't know how to. Oh, okay. And now, and then, all of our islands are. Oh, I'm just gonna skip all of them. What can go wrong? Yeah, what can go wrong? What the heck are you doing? New home. Come on. This will be North America. Wonderful choice. I can't wait to show you up too. Are you kidding me? But before we depart, I have just one final question for you. Is there anything bad about America? What would it be? Oh, I don't know. Oh, shoot. It will have... Guess it will have some food. How interesting. Oh! I'm sorry there. I can see your mouth. And it's weird. It's ready for board. Shoot, shoot. The United States is getting ready for board. Shoot. Hurry up. We're going on the plane together. Let's go. But where's the plane? What? Hello, everyone. Are you going to kill me? Yay, we're going to America. I'm just going to pretend like it's America. Did I just see an airplane? Oh, it has a beach, just like America. And it has a tsunami. What the heck is this? Oh, there's me. There's some kind of Animal Crossing thing. There's some kind of rain boot. There's some kind of thing. There's some kind of... Hello. Hello. It's nice to meet you. I am the mayor of the United States. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States Mayor and the United States government. Civil authorities in your area has reported that the bodies of the dead are rising from their graves and attacking... Oh, wait. Airplane! It's mine. By the way, I've heard everyone who played this probably got 100 subscribers. If it happens to me, I will be happy. Ooh! Airplane crash! Animal Crossing. Welcome to Animal Crossing, where everything is cool. Was that an airplane crash? Okay. We're here. Oh, I'm not going to read all this. You guys can read this. Just pause it. Did I order pizza? Oh, follow them. So I'm moving. No! I don't know the controls. What is up? Is anything happening? Get out of my way. Where the heck is pizza? Do any one of you guys talk? Where's pizza? Where's pizza? Do I press a button or something? Oh. Okay. Is Animal Crossing even available on iPhone? Going in the water! Oh, shoot. I cannot go in water. That has freedom. Where's my food? I'm gonna die. Where's my food? Where's my food? Where's my food? Where's my food? Where'd you put my pizza? Hold on, wait, where's that? Show me where the pizza is. Ooh, what's this though? It's just junk. Where the heck is pizza? Did I get scammed or something? Jump in water. I can't. Oh, shoot. Where's quicksand in this game? What? I guess you should follow the others so we don't get separated. I did though. Nothing happened. I'm coming. Did it? I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Anyways, I'm ending the video right here. Thank you guys so much for watching.